A very refreshed and good morning to you all. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. And I hope you have attended your prayer and yoga session and are feeling energized, refreshed to begin with classes today. Isn't it? So yoga करने से क्या होता है? I have told you earlier also, we feel refreshed क्योंकि जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड फ्लो होता है वो थोड़ा सा स्पीड अप हो जाता है और हमें एनर्जाइज्ड फील होता है उससे. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर क्लासेस. ग्रेट. सो टुडे इज 10th February 2021 and the day is Wednesday. And today we are going to learn something really new and interesting in English. See class, whenever we have any competition or whenever there is any type of participation, we do what you do. आप अपने टॉपिक के बारे में बोलने से पहले you tell about yourself. आप अपने बारे में बताते हैं. As you people are sharing your videos, whatever videos I ask you, be that your regular rhymes, stories or related to any concept, आप जब भी वो वीडियो शेयर करते हो, I have always said कि whenever you are doing any shoot, always start by introducing yourself. अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, isn't it? आप बोलते हो ना, hello, good morning, my name is, then you say your name. I study in class UKG. I am going to tell you about, या I am going to sing rhyme on topic. आप इसी तरह से begin करते हो. So this is what we say introducing yourself. अपने आप को किसी और को introduce करना, अपने बारे में किसी को बताना. Clear? Today we are going to do the same. What we are going to do? We are going to tell others about ourselves. यानी कि आज हम क्या लिखेंगे? अपने बारे में लिखेंगे. See, we have been doing writing things about different sounds. Then we have been doing that. Then इन सब चीजों को यूज किया हमने. different sounds के words सीखे, positional words सीखे. आज हम क्या लिखेंगे? About ourselves. अपने बारे में. Myself. R मतलब अपना. ठीक है? So today's topic is myself. मेरे बारे में. क्या क्या बातें बताएंगे? You will tell your name, your age, your class, आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, what you like to do at home, then what are the things you like in food. These are the few things we are going to discuss, and I will tell you how you are going to do and write all these things in your notebook also. So shall we begin with the class then? Great. You all know your name. Yes, you all know what is your name, but few of you don't know how to write your name, isn't it? I know maximum of you know how to write their names. You know your spellings, but today we are going to learn how to write our name also and how we are going to write other things about ourselves. Clear? Let's begin with the topic. तो जब भी कभी कोई घर आता है, whenever anyone comes at home, what is the first question they ask? सबसे पहले क्या बताओगे आप अपने बारे में? Your name. आपका जो नेम है वही आपकी मेन पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी है. जब आप किसी को आपका नेम नहीं पता होगा तो हाउ विल आई कॉल यू? अब आपको मान लीजिए मैम मेरा नेम नहीं पता और आप बुला रहे हो मैम को तो पता ही नहीं लगा ना कि आप मैम को वानी मैम को बुला रहे हो. बट व्हेन यू विल से वानी मैम तो एकदम से वानी मैम को पता लगेगा बिकॉज माय नेम इज वानी, isn't it? अब मान लीजिए you are at home और कोई अंकल आंटी आए हैं. If they don't know your name तो वो क्या बोलेंगे? ओए बॉय सुनो, ओए गर्ल सुनो, that don't look nice. आप भी कभी पार्क जाते हो, जब तक आपको अपने फ्रेंड का नेम नहीं पता है आप उसको कैसे बुलाओगे? वो दूसरी जगह खेल रहा है और आप उसके साथ खेलना चाहते हो, आपको उसका नेम ही नहीं पता. How will you call? So the very first thing we should know is name. This is why whenever anyone comes to your home, they ask what is your name. Whenever you come to school, जब भी आप फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल जाते हो, मैम भी क्लास में पूछती है ना, बच्चा what is your name, ताकि मैम को पता हो कि अगर मैम को आपसे बात करनी है तो आपका नेम तो पता होना चाहिए. Then only I can talk to you ना, isn't it? So the very first thing whenever we are introducing, जब हम किसी को अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, अपने बारे में बताते हैं, तो what is the first thing we tell? Name. Yes, the first thing that we tell is name. So here the first sentence we have, number 1, what we have? My name is. अब यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? You will write your own name. Clear? अब जैसे मैम मान लीजिए मैम लिखनी है, तो my name is Vani Jain. तो I will write my name. If Ahana is doing the work, तो what Ahana will write? My name is Ahana Tanwar, and you will write your full name with your surname also. ठीक है? For example, if Aman is doing the work, my name is Aman Kumar. Is that clear? So whenever you are doing your work or you are writing or even telling, always tell your full name. Clear? So this is the place you are going to write your name. My name is. Now I am writing here. ठीक है, अब आज मैम भी आपके साथ यूकेजी क्लास की स्टूडेंट बनने वाली है. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर माय नेम इज, आई एम राइटिंग दैट Vani Jain. So here like this you will write your full name. Clear? तो ये जो आपके नेम के पीछे एक और वर्ड होता है, that is called your surname. You have to write your surname also. So this is the complete name. Whenever you are telling, you have to tell your complete name. Is that clear? Okay. Now moving to the next. अब आपको अपने बारे में और कुछ एक्सप्रेस करने को बोला मैम ने. Okay, you have told your name. Tell me something more about yourself. अब मैम ने बोला आप अपने बारे में और भी कुछ बताओ. तो what you are going to tell? First thing, I am a. क्या है आप? Boy है या girl है? So here we have two options. Either you will write boy, जो boys होते हैं, और जो girls हैं, they will write girl. Clear? You will write only one thing, either boy or girl. So now I am girl now. What I am going to write? I am a girl. So I will write that here. I am a girl. Like this. Clear? और जो boys हैं, they will write I am a boy. Is that clear to everyone? Now, I am, you all are able to read now? I am dash years old. Now here you have to tell what is your age. आप कितने years के हो? Every year you celebrate your birthday. तो उस पे एक नंबर वाली कैंडल होती है ना, ग्लो करने में मजा आता है. So now every one of you is going to tell your age here. How many years old you are? ठीक है, आप कितने years के हो? You will write that. Like if you are 5 years or 6 years, so here you are going to write number name, not the 5 or 6. आप ऐसे वाला 5, 6 नहीं लिखोगे. No, you will not write this. You are going to write it in number name form. ठीक है? For example, if you are 6 years old, so you will write I am 6 years old. 5 years है तो आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे I am FIVE 5 years old. तो यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग आएगी, नंबर नहीं आएगा. Remember that. ठीक है? इंग्लिश है, मैथ्स नहीं है ना ये. So you have to write spelling here. Now next thing, I study in dash class. So which class you are in? Tell me everyone. कौन सी क्लास में हम लोग? Yes, you should know now. We are in UKG class and we call it upper KG. U का क्या होता है full form? Upper KG. And KG is for kindergarten. So we are in UKG class. अब एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है. When you are writing, आपने देखा मैम ने सिर्फ name का जो first letter है वो कैपिटल लिखा, बाकी सब स्मॉल. फिर हमने जो गर्ल लिखा या आप जो बॉय लिखोगे, you will write small alphabets, no capital alphabets. Again, when you are writing the number name here, आप अपनी age बता रहे हो, you will write in small letters. But I study in dash class. जब आप अपनी क्लास लिखेंगे, you will write it in capital letters. How you will do that? UKG class, like this. Is that clear to everyone? These three alphabets should be capital. UKG class. आपको इसका भी ध्यान रखना है कि कौन से लेटर्स कैपिटल होंगे. हर जगह कैपिटल लेटर नहीं लिखना है, बट when there is something specific तो हम कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखते हैं. Clear? Now, next thing, I like to eat dash. अब आप अपनी likes बता रहे हो, आप बता रहे हो कि आपको क्या खाना पसंद है. So you are going to write the name of that food which you like to eat. It can be junk food also, क्योंकि आप अपनी likes बता रहे हो. ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको यहाँ healthy food का ही option लिखना है, but if you like to eat healthy food, you can write that. Or if you like pizza, burger, noodles, you can write anything you feel like to eat. Okay? हाँ, fruits और vegetables अच्छे लगते हैं तो आप उनके भी नाम लिखिए. So I like to eat apples. So what I'm going to write? I like to eat apples. A double P L E S. Apples. बहुत सारे apples पसंद हैं. If you like to eat mangoes, you can write mangoes here. Clear? So now I like to eat apples. I love to dash. अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What do you love to do? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? Like it can be singing, dancing, playing cricket, playing ludo, then anything else, skating, whatever, जो भी आपको पसंद है, you can write that. And if you like watching mobile, तो please write that also. Options are there for you. So I like to dance, sing, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. So what I'm going to write? I love to sing. क्योंकि मैम को सॉन्ग पसंद है, मैम को राइम्स सिंग करना पसंद है. So I'm going to write I love to sing. Clear? यहाँ पे आप अपनी चॉइस का कुछ लिखेंगे. जरूरी नहीं है मैम ने सिंग लिखा है, मैम ने एप्पल्स लिखे हैं तो आप यही लिखो. It is all your choice. Clear everyone? So let's have a revision again. The first thing that we tell about ourselves is name. देखो जब आप क्लास में आते हो first time, whenever you come to your class, you are always asked what is your name, isn't it? और मैम भी आपको अपना नेम बताती है, so that whenever you want to talk to me, there are many teachers standing, you can call me. Vani ma'am, please listen. तो मुझे पता लग जाएगा, yes, you are calling me. And if there are so many students, अगर मैम को आपका नाम नहीं पता है, and I want to talk to you, I will say come here. Who will come? पूरी क्लास आ जाएगी ना? Isn't it? Come here बोलते तो सब लोग आ जाएंगे. Now if I want to talk to only one child, तो मैम को क्या करना है? I will tell your name. Isn't it? Ahana, please come here. तो सिर्फ Ahana आएगी. ऐसा ही होता है ना? और वो करने के लिए तो मैम को आपके नेम पता होना जरूरी है. तो very first thing we do is introduce our name. हम अपना नेम बताते हैं. Clear? Then we tell that I am a boy or girl. आप boy हो या girl हो, you have to tell that. Then what is your age? How many years old you are? Then in which class you study? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो? कोई भी घर पे पूछता है. Okay, in which class you study? Then you will say I study in UKG class. If somebody also asks you that what is the name of your school? So how you are going to say? My school's name is ST Adarsh Public public school. Isn't it? You feel so proud in telling that my school's name is SD Adarsh Public School. Clear? So this is the way we tell about ourselves. Now, whatever you have to learn here is your name. Are you a girl or boy? Your age, your class, what do you like to eat, what you like to do, isn't it? These are the few things you should know about yourself now. आपको अपना name पता है, class पता है, I know that. But if anyone asks what is your father's name, what is your mother's name, so you should know answer to all such questions. Is that clear to everyone? Let's proceed ahead and see how we are going to do work in the notebook. So take out your English notebooks and also one thing more. Ask your parents to give you one passport size photograph. आपको जो आज हम काम करेंगे, you need one small passport size photograph also. तो वो भी मम्मा से रिक्वेस्ट करना. Mama will be having at home. She'll give you. Okay class? Now take out your notebook and let's see how we are going to do the work there. Okay? So class, now open your English notebook and you have to prepare a notebook like this. Clear? The first thing that you are going to do is write today's date, that is 10th February 2021. Classwork, you will write the topic myself. Okay? After writing the topic, can you see I have used 3 lines. And using these 3 lines, what I have done? I have drawn a square shape. तो ऐसे ही after writing myself in the first line, आप इन 3 lines को use करके क्या करेंगे? You will draw a square shape. Clear? And after that, you have to write about yourself like this. Now what are we going to do in this square shape? I told you to take a photograph from your mother. So what is a passport size photograph? You know that? This is the one. ये देखिए ये मैम की है. So like this, ये जो size की photograph होती है, take such a photograph and like this you are going to paste it here. ठीक है, आप अपनी लेंगे, मैम की नहीं, मैम की तो होगी भी नहीं. So take your own photograph, paste it like this here in this square. समझ में आया? And after that what you will do? You will start writing about yourself as we have done on the board. So shall we start writing here now? So now see, my name is, now whosoever photograph will be here, उसी का नाम आएगा, isn't it? Now I am leaving the space blank ताकि आपको पता रहे, you have to write your own name. Okay class? Now next thing is I am a dash. Here we have 2 options, boy or girl. So I am writing both. आप एक ही लिखोगे. Boys will write I am a boy and girls will write I am a girl like this. Clear everyone? So who is going to write boy? Only जो लड़के हैं, जो boys हैं, they will write boy, I am a boy. और जो लड़कियां हैं वो क्या लिखेंगी? I am a girl. Clear? Now, I am dash years old. So now here you have to write your age. So it can be 5, 6. यही इसी के आसपास होगी. And you will write it in numbers like this. FIVE 5. Or if you are 6 years, you will write SIX 6. Clear? So इन दोनों में से भी आपको एक ही लिखना है. When I am putting a bar in between, मैम एक slash लगा रही है, that means any one out of this. Then I study in dash class. So here you are going to write your class. So what is your class? UKG. So I study in UKG class. You will write like this. Clear all? Next we have I like to eat dash. अब यहाँ तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं. So what you will do? You will write the name of that food item which you like to eat. जो आपको खाने में पसंद है. Understood? As I have written apples on board. तो आपको अगर कोई फ्रूट पसंद है, write the name there. कोई वेजिटेबल पसंद है, चपाती, राजमा राइस, whatever you like to eat, pizza, burger, you can write that here. Next is I love to dash. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? You love to sing, dance, play, or you love to enjoy going out with your parents. जो भी आपको पसंद है, shopping, you can write that. Playing cricket, playing football, playing racket, जो भी पसंद है ना, you have to write that here. Whatever you enjoy the most. Playing with father, playing with mother, anything. It's all your wish. You can write anything here. Is that clear, class? So this is the work you are going to do at home today as your today's class work. This is your today's class work. Understood? Now your homework will be, you have to write all these as your today's homework on other side, but need not to paste your photograph. फोटोग्राफ आपको एक ही बार लगानी है. होमवर्क में फोटोग्राफ नहीं लगाना. डोंट पेस्ट हियर. जस्ट राइट दीज सेंटेंसेज वंस अगेन सो दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट मोर. क्लियर? सो योर होमवर्क विल बी प्रैक्टिस same work. Understood? But you are going to do after learning it. Is that clear to everyone? How you are going to do your work today? So class, now I hope you have understood how you are going to introduce yourself to anyone. और जब हम अपने बारे में किसी को बताते हैं, we call it myself. मैम yourself इसलिए बोल रही है क्योंकि आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. बट जब हम अपने बारे में बताते हैं, what we call it myself. Clear? And we have learned how and what are the different things we can tell about ourselves to anyone. Clear? Now it's time for you to finish your work and please try to express these lines in this way only. Clear? Learn them, share them in a form of small video so that let me see how much you have learned to express yourself. Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.